ngi pidang subhai phi boro shakanika channel ka jongi but hakanika video ka bomtas ngi ngashko ban ong kuble shibon yapi ki subscribers yapi ki ba support yakanika channel badru yaki viewers jangkanika channel kanika channel ka jongi kadang shuyo khandai hajar ki subscribers but ngi comment ba ngi yakanika support but yakanika jing ka ba pi shakanika channel ka jongi te ngirut ngin le kat bala ban upload shushu yaki video but like no nakini ki video shapang ki kam ngi ya plan ban upload shushu sekiwi part ki jaj video te lada pidon ki video ideas lani ki suggestions ki ba piko ban ai pila ban comment hapo but ngin se page yakini ki suggestions ki ba pi yangi te kublaish bon sasisian part. Thank you very much yapi ki supporters but yaki subscribers jangkanika channel but ngin sia kendok part haka way part ke video kublaish bon.